Built and perfected over the last 6 decades, DSI's patented Gleeble simulator has led the way in process simulation, providing companies detailed assessments on the world's strongest materials, optimizing production in the automotive, aerospace, energy, and heavy industries.
The Gleeble is a physical simulation system where we take a piece of material, say a steel specimen, 10 millimeter diameter by maybe under 20 millimeters long, put it in the machine, heat it, strain it, and at the end of the day it gives you, the researcher, a piece of material that you can section and look at the metallography and a stress strain curve that you can analyze what happened with the material.
Manufacturers frequently look to improve product quality and increase profitability by replacing existing materials with new materials that may be lighter, stronger, and more efficient to produce. Gleeble simulations are critical for researchers to understand how that material will respond in the real world and during the production process. One of the features that makes the Gleeble so special is the ability to heat and cool very quickly and dynamically. Through direct resistance heating or induction heating, the Gleeble is able to heat specimens up to 10,000 degrees C per second. And we're also able to cool very quickly through quenching. And we can quench through water, air, gas, or mist, as well as cryogenic quenching to get down to about negative 170 degrees C.
Everything we do here at DSI is physical simulation based, relating to materials characterization and testing. We've had many customers over the years who have developed computer models, developed the constitutive equations, or the alloys are changing just a little bit, which makes the computer model not accurate in its results. By changing the computer model, by adding different alloys, you can then use the Gleeble system to validate the computer model.
When organizations need to develop a new alloy, the process can take many years and cost millions of dollars. DSI has developed the RAPID system, which allows researchers to create a small amount of material, process that material in a rolling mill, and they're able to take that material then, test that in a Gleeble to get data very quickly. In fact, they can create a new alloy and have characterization data complete by the end of that same day.
DSI continues to provide better insight, helping industries grow. For more information about our systems, contact us today.